Hi and welcome back to the Stained Canvas. Today I decided to try a new to me art supply. I believe this stuff has been out for quite a while. This is the Pebeo Fantasy Prism paint, and they are an oil-based paint, so you need solvents to clean them up and things like that. This stuff is supposed to create these incredible honeycomb texture metallic effects, right? Like really cool textural, like visual texture in this. And they also have, it could be used with the Pebeo Fantasy Moon paints, and they're supposed to be really easy to mix together and all that stuff, and like all you do is like stir and put it on top of your surface, and you could put this on glass, wood, anything like that. I'm actually using a wood canvas that I picked up from Dollarama, and I gessoed it because I wanted it to have a good paint base on it, because I wasn't too sure what the solvent based like paints would do to the wood, right? Like would it rot it away or whatever. So I just acrylic gessoed it and made sure it was good to go. Um, Supposed to, like I said before, make this really cool texture, visual texture, honeycomb shapes inside of it. Very cool. For me, I don't know if it was user error or if because I got these paints on sale and maybe they were too old, because I like to buy my art supplies on sale, guys. Like, I will not pay full price for any kind of art supply. If you know me, you know that I like to like find cheaper shortcuts, that type of thing, because you know what? Art can be very expensive. So you want to make some money, you kind of got to do what you got to do, right? But for getting back to the project at hand, it was not working for me. I put down white and I put down black, and then I'm putting down some metallic colors, like it's copper, bronze, gold, like a champagne gold. It's a very lighter, you know, pearlescent kind of a gold. So this one's probably like antique gold. Like I had so many metallic colors, right? And nothing is happening. It's just swirling there. And I'm putting a lot of paint down. I don't know if I was supposed to put more, but for me, I don't like wasting paint, right? So maybe my frugalness was stopping the paint because I wasn't putting enough. I don't know. If you've ever played with these Pebeo Prism abstract fantasy paints and have succeeded in getting the honeycomb texture, please, in the description, if you see what I'm doing wrong, let me know. Because I would like to be able to use these. On the packaging, it shows really cool effects, and I would love to be able to reach these effects and get to these effects. So yeah, let me know what I'm doing wrong in a kind way, please. We don't need harsh criticism here. But yeah, so you'll see I'm putting down the lighter gold now, and I like this combo. I like the black, white, gold metallic combos. I just wish that it did the really cool things it was supposed to do, right? You see, I'm even like gonna take a stir stick and swoosh the paint and see if, me swooshing the paint gets anything going and anything moving, and it really doesn't. But yeah, you see me readjust the thing there. I was trying to move the paint around. It would just kind of sat there. So again, maybe the paint was too thin, or it didn't add enough, or it was too thick. I don't know. But you'll see here, I just swooshing it with a stick and it's not really doing anything. I'm going to add more gold. Again, it's not doing much. And then I kind of was like, okay, well, just going to keep adding more paint because maybe it's the more paint thing. So here I am adding more copper and bronze and everything else. But yeah, towards the end of this, I just add more white and then I call it a day. And it really doesn't change much from when I call it a day to when it's completely dry. So I was kind of sad about that. I mean, there was like maybe a couple little honeycomb things, very tiny ones, but nothing to the extent of what I've seen on their packaging. So yeah. So this, once you've reached this much of my video, thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, tell your friends about me, and yeah, I don't know. I appreciate you guys. Thank you. And here I put in the sides of white and try and swipe it again, and nothing is really happening. So yeah, this was a dud for me. But again, if you have success in using it, please let me know in the comments below, because I would love to not have wasted lots of money on this paint. So bye for now, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.